One-way car rentals are perfect for road trips, relocations, or multi-city vacations. But are they always the best choice? Here's a look at the advantages and disadvantages of booking a one-way rental. Pros of one-way car rentals. Let's kick it off with the upside to renting a car one-way. Freedom and flexibility. Explore new places without backtracking. Convenience. Drop off the car at your final destination. Long-distance savings. Often cheaper than flights for group travel. Time saving. Avoid the hassle of returning to your original location. Cons of one-way rentals. And now for the drawbacks. Drop-off fees. Some rental companies charge extra fees for one-way trips. Limited availability. Not all locations offer one-way rentals. Mileage restrictions. Some rentals have mileage limits. Watch out for extra charges. Higher demand. Popular routes may have limited availability during peak seasons. How to save on one-way car rentals. We'll end it with ways to save you money on one-way rentals because at AutoRentals, that's what we're about, saving you time and cash on your rentals. Use AutoRentals.com to compare prices from multiple companies. Look for promotions where drop-off fees are waived. Book longer rentals. Some companies offer weekly discounts. Consider alternative drop-off locations if fees are too high. Conclusion. A one-way rental can save time and offer more travel freedom, especially for road trips. Just be sure to compare costs and watch for drop-off fees.